Today we will talk about parts of plants, as we know that plants are very important part of our life. But why? Because they take carbon dioxide that we exhale and produce oxygen, which is used by animals and human beings. Now, plants are of utmost importance, as we know that from plants we get clothes, wood, paper, food, medicines and all other plant products. Now we will talk about different parts of plants. A plant has two divisions. The part that is we see above the ground is called shoot system, and that we cannot see and is below the ground or below the soil is called root system. So shoot system consists of fruit, flower, leaf, bud, stem, and root system has primary roots and secondary roots. Primary root is the basic root of the plant from which plant grows from the soil, and secondary roots are those which grows from primary roots. Now different parts of plants have different functions, so we will see what are they. Flower make seeds of a plant from which a new plant can grow. Leaves do photosynthesis, which we will study in few seconds. They make food for the plant. Roots they provide support to the plant and absorbs water and minerals from soil and also store food for the plant. Stem they contain tubes to carry food and water to different parts of a plant. Now, how leaves make food for the plant? In presence of sunlight, they use carbon dioxide and release oxygen and sugars as a byproduct. Sugar is the food for the plant. Water is also used in the process, and this process is called as photosynthesis. We eat almost every part of a plant, but different plants or trees have different parts to eat. We eat leaves, flowers, stem, root of a plant. So let's see what are the examples. So as a stem of a plant, example is sugarcane, bamboo shoots, and for roots we eat beetroot, radish, carrot. And for leaves, example is spinach, lettuce, cabbage. For flowers, broccoli and cauliflower. As seed of a plant, we eat all pulses, cereals and peas. So as a fruit we eat of a plant, example is cucumber, tomato, pumpkin, brinjals. These are some of the examples and there are many more to it. So let's see what all you have learned. You can assess yourself by filling this sheet. Thank you.